Most traders don't have a bad strategy. They just don't have a clear entry. They guess, they rush, and they get stopped out. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple pattern called CISD that can completely fix your entries. Quick thing before we jump in, I just launched a trading portal that has all my tools, indicators, and scanners built around this exact model. If you want everything in one place, the link is in the description below. Now let's get into it. If you've ever entered too early, missed the move, or got stopped out before price runs, this is exactly why. You're entering without confirmation. CISD stands for Change in State of Delivery. But don't worry about the name. All it really means is price has shifted from one direction to another. But here is where most traders get it wrong. They enter before the break of the CISD. That's too early. Smart money doesn't enter until there's a break and close of the CISD. There are actually two ways to enter. You can enter on the break and the close, or you can wait for price to break the CISD and then for it to pull back into a relevant fair value gap. So the two CIS entries are either price breaks and closes the CISD in which you can enter, or price will break the structure, you'll see a strong displacement, and then you wait for the retrace, which usually comes back into the fair value gap. And that's where you enter. That is the model. Let me show you some examples. If you look at this weekly candle on the chart, you'll notice it has a high and it has a low. You want to mark out the previous week's high and the previous week's low. Then what you want to do is you want to wait until price comes to the high and the low of the previous week's candle. When price comes to the high and the low of that candle, you're not going to enter straight away. You're first going to wait for price to sweep that level and then come back into the range. We want to see a failure to displace pattern happening on the higher time frame candles. When price comes back into the range, that is where we wait for our CISD entry. So you want to see price come back into the range, break the CISD and close. When price breaks and closes that CISD, that is where you can look to get an entry. Or what you can do is you can wait for price to break the CISD, wait for strong displacement to occur, and then wait for the retracement back up to the relevant fair value gap to look for an entry. Those are two different ways we can enter with the CISD model. Once you take those entries, then you can target the most relevant liquidity levels. And you always want to place your stop losses above the previous swing high point or just above the previous week's low or high levels. Notice how clean that is. No guessing, no rushing, just waiting for pure confirmation. If you want help spotting these setups faster, I built an indicator called SMCX that highlights sweep zones, CISD levels, weekly highs, weekly lows, so you're not second guessing your entries. The link is in the description below. Master this pattern and your entries change completely. If you want to continue to master your entries, make sure to watch this next video right now. Click the link and take your entries to another level.